Do you feel safe in our relationship? Okay. All right. This question is meant for girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. Okay. Should supposed to be asked this question to the girlfriend, boyfriend, husband, wife. It's a romantic question, by the way. Okay. Not romantic. It's a somethingly serious question. Okay. And if your girlfriend asks this question, that ki, are we like, are you feel safe in relationship? What is mean by safe? Okay. सेफ का मतलब होता है कि लाइक बेसिकली when you are fall in love with someone, when you are in relationship with someone, it's really good. Okay, you are like you are liking this person really lot, that person likes you really lot. From every point of perspective it's really good, it's really great. Okay, जब आप किसी इंसान से प्यार करते हो ना, तब आप like you actually kind of like your soul is actually locked up inside her, like somehow the part of the soul is actually given to that particular person. Okay, कहते हैं ना हम, मेरा दिल उसके पास है, काइंड ऑफ लाइक दैट. ओके, और मान लेते हैं लाइक थिंग्स हैपन दैट कि अदर पर्सन माइट गेट चीट. ओके, अगर दूसरा इंसान चीट कर रहा है तो द एंटायर ट्रस्ट, द एवरीथिंग लाइक द पार्ट ऑफ यू इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ डेड. ओके, आप आधे मर जाते हो. The pain that you might not understand or might not feel until and unless you are get heartbroken. Okay, अगर आपका दिल कभी टूटा नहीं है तो आप कभी इस चीज़ को महसूस नहीं कर सकते. You won't be able to feel that. Okay, the pain is like really like it depends on person to person. Okay, and how much he handled the pain was like really extreme and really lot. Okay, really lot. Okay, so probably this question actually says that ki like are you feel safe, like basically that ki, like this question asks that ki like will you be in the future broke my heart or will you break my heart. It's kind of like a something like very serious question. What will be my answer? Okay, yeah, if the girlfriend is actually or my significant other asks this question to me, what will be my answer? Well, probably let me tell you one thing, that ki I haven't really been on relationship. Okay, and I didn't really know anything about relationship and love and things like that. My first priority in my life is my career. Okay, and yeah, okay, in my career, relationship is a kind of like a something really a secondary thing. But in the secondary thing, with the person that I wanted to love, I wanted to hold her hand till the end of the life. Okay, yeah, it's just like that na ki she has to understand me, she has to understand like what is exactly me, what is exactly like my priority is always be my work. So probably there are a lot of things comes with it, like I will do work almost like a 10 to 12 hour, and she might understand that key. Yeah, okay, and yeah, like basically is this thing that key, like let me tell you one thing, that I'm not really sure about this thing, but yeah, so प्यार होना and attraction hona is a kind of like a two different thing. What do you mean by that? So basically is this thing that ki somehow there is some certain girl at road, you are actually like going somewhere and सामने से एक लड़की आ रही है, she looks really good, really damn good. Okay, आप attracted हो जाते हो उसकी तरफ. It's not love, it's attraction. It might gonna happen and it will happen after you are in relationship or after you are in getting married, और आई थिंक दिस विल बी हैपन विथ मी. ओके, शायद ये मेरे साथ होगा, बट इट डजेंट मीन लाइक दैट कि आई ब्रोक समवन हार्ट. नो, इट्स नॉट. ओके, या probably just like that कि I like that person, it just because of that appearance and things like that. अगर मैं किसी इंसान से प्यार करता हूँ, ऑब्वियसली आई लाइक हर सोल. ओके, मुझे उसके आत्मा से प्यार हो गया है. ओके, लाइक हाउ शी अंडरस्टैंड, हाउ शी like basically it's a kind of like a something like that key, a small thing. Okay, and that small things are let you know that ki, this is the one. Okay, so probably is this thing that ki, I might not broke someone heart. Okay, yes, but still I'm not really sure. Future is really unpredictable, but since I know myself, I think this might not gonna happen. All right, yeah. Next question.